Hey there, coding class. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you had a great long weekend. I missed seeing you in Zoom yesterday, but I hope you enjoyed the holiday and did some stuff with your family. Enjoyed the sunshine a little bit because the weather was gorgeous, and it's gorgeous today too. So hopefully you get a little sunshine, get a little break. So we are in week 10 of our Corona break school shutdown, which is just crazy to me. I was thinking about this the other day. We had like a snow day the week before we shut down, and we were wearing winter coats, and that was the last time I saw you guys face to face. And now we have to turn on like the air conditioning because it's hot outside. It's just so bizarre. But anyway, hope you guys are all doing well. We have 2 more Zoom classes left. We have one next Monday and one the following Monday, and that's all the Zoom classes we have left for the school year. Assignments for this week. So there's a couple new things that we've got going on. Yes, we had no Zoom class this week. Typing.com, we're doing something new. So you log into typing.com just like you normally would. And then our typing assignments are going to actually be involving HTML code and typing. Now, a lot of you wonder sometimes, like, why do we do so much typing in a coding class? This is exactly why, okay? Working on speed and accuracy in your typing is super important when you're keying in codes because you're giving a specific set of instructions. And you want to be super accurate with that or the instructions won't be correct. And a lot of you have actually discovered that when you're keying in codes, when you've been doing things in Tinker, when you've been doing other things before we shut down, that if you don't have that exact code in there, the program isn't going to run the way you want it to. So this week's typing assignment will be using both of those things, what we've been working on as far as speed and accuracy in our typing and working on HTML code. So I think it'll be good. I think it'll be a nice way to connect. I have a tutorial video on how to get to the coding typing stuff on typing.com. So you just follow that tutorial and it shows you exactly what you need to do. So it's pretty easy and it's pretty fun. It's different though. It's a different way of looking at our typing than what we've been doing. But I think the change of pace will be good for us. As far as Tinker goes, you guys just need to keep working on what you've been working on. So some of you are still on Space Cadet and you're doing that a little bit each week. That's fine. Some of you finished Space Cadet and you've moved on to the next one, which I believe is Dragon Spells. Some of you are working on that. I would move on after Dragon Spells to the Programming 1A unit. But yeah, once you finish a unit, pick another one after that. And you can skip around if you want to. I wouldn't skip around different lessons. I would stick with one unit, but you can skip around units. So if you finish Dragon Spells and you're really interested in like the unit on drones, programming drones, and you want to work on that, that's fine. Just make sure you finish that unit before you move on to a different one. And really all I'm checking each and every week, I'm checking when you logged in, how much time you spent, and what you worked on. But I can see, it gives me a rundown in each student in our class and the reports, who's been doing what, like specifically dates and times. So that's what I'm checking when I'm giving you guys your grades. And if you like skipped a week, I'm recording it. I can see when you've been on and when you haven't. I'm also doing the same thing with typing. So as long as you are doing your typing practice each week and you are working on Tinker each week, that's how you're getting your grade for the week. Okay, pretty simple. Some of you haven't done anything though. And that's why when I figured your grades this weekend, some of you have incompletes right now in my class. Because we have 5 weeks in this card marking worth of work that I graded. And if you've been showing progress each week, you got credit for that week. If you did not do anything that week, you got incomplete for that week. So with 5 weeks, if you have 3 weeks of incomplete and only 2 weeks where you turned in stuff, that's overall incomplete. If you have 3 or more weeks of turning stuff in, that's why you have credit. Can you still get stuff done? Absolutely. Okay? It's not too late, but you got to work on this stuff, you guys. Okay? Can you do makeup work? Yeah. You'll have to double up. That means instead of doing 1 day a week of work for this class, you'll have to do 2. And let me know just through a message or an email what you plan on doing. But you can still make this stuff up, guys, okay? But you got to communicate with me on what you're doing so I can make sure that my grade book is up to date. But I did plug in all the grades. So when you go into Power School, instead of that Q4 / that you had, you either have credit or incomplete. And then at the end of the card marking, I'm going to just keep updating that as you guys turn in stuff each week. And then at the end of the card marking, it'll stick. So hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys have a great week. And I look forward to seeing you guys in Zoom on Monday. Bye.